And I tell you, they get on my nerve. This is his position most of the day. Bentley can't never get no rest by himself. Skills always got to come and put his big old head on somebody. Alright, y'all, I got some scratches and a little dent on that side. I'll show you once they get done. Once they clear all that out. But hey, I can't. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Alright, guys. This is my baby. I don't see any scratches on her. 2 dents. One on this side and one on here. I don't see any scratches. Thank you, Lord. Whew. So, hey guys, it is Sunday. I made some pork steaks, fried them up, made a little gravy, homemade gravy. I got some rice. Let me show y'all the rice. And here goes some more pork steak that I didn't put in the gravy. And let me show you guys my fried corn. Listen. Buttery fried corn, rice, pork steaks, and gravy. Now I'm about to taste my food. Even though I tasted while I was cooking it, it's so good. Alright, guys, I just wanted to show you what I had for today. Good morning, guys. I'm here downtown at the Internal Revenue Office, trying to see what's going on. I got 20 minutes before they open up, but yeah, I'm downtown. It's beautiful down here, though. Hopefully, I can get some stuff taken care of. Hey, y'all. It's walking in this bathroom and wash my face. That feels so good. It feels so good, y'all. Oh my God, that feels so good. I know.
And I'm not irritated. You know, I'd be hangry.
Hangry. She full now, y'all. The baby full. Her stomach is good. Now we up here in Sam Club finna go get some groceries. Watch out, baby.
Come on, Doc.
Like, dang. About to hit somebody. Yeah, what Sam Club got a whole little inflatable. They got, let me get some video of the chairs. Oh, these are cute. I like this one, Kira. Did you see the rocking one? This one is really cute. This is cute, y'all. Look, Packer cups. It's finna come in the football season. This inflatable Packer with throws, bags, pillows, blankets, socks, freaking plates. Oh, and they got the badges. They got the chairs too. Definitely taking my spider webs with me. A pegboard. Oh, for your room. Oh, look at those. These are cute. These are really cute.
I want one of these. What's this?
Kira, look how much they is.
Oh, this the costume.
A costume.
Look.
Oh, Kira, I could say, please get it and put it on. That would be hilarious. All right, y'all. Let me do my haul right fast. So I got on the border Mexican style cafe chips for croissants. I also got oat nut bread, whole grain, soft. What is this? Soft white bread. I also got bagels, the 4-pack of unsalted sweet cream butter from Sam's. I got cheese, Colby Jack, honey roasted turkey breast. I got 2 of the cage-free organic. What is this? 2 dozen. Yeah, I got 2 of these. Bananas. I got Simply Nature jasmine rice, Simply Nature cane sugar, Chobana Greek yogurt. I got my boys some snacks. I got muffin bars, apple cinnamon, romaine lettuce, spinach. I got raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and 2-pack of strawberries. I got tomatoes, the fat ones, 2 of the fat ones. I also got cherry tomatoes. I got a bag of onions. Let's turn you around. A bag of onions. What else? Oh, I got some flour tortillas. I got my barbecue sauce, original. I got mustard. I got this new hot honey ranch from Aldi's. That's good. Dill pickle spears, mayonnaise, ranch. I got some black pepper, coconut oil, Simply Nature, and some lemon pepper. I also got a big bag of white potatoes. Get that out of my way. I got some palm olive antibacterial. Put that over there. Okay, it's too big. And I got some sweet potatoes. This is from Family Dollars. We just got this. Oh, I did get some broccoli Normandy, 6 in a bag. I got some chicken breast and a bag of wings from Sam's. This came from Aldi, so I got Frosted Flakes, strawberry milkshake flavor. He wanted to try it. And I got me some peanut butter Captain Crunch. I haven't had those in years. He got some Heartbreaker ice. Y'all gotta excuse me, I'm sweating, I'm hot. Butter toffee, covered peanuts, some, oh, the cookies came out. Coconut macaron cookies. Oh, the baby open. And I got vanilla cream. Listen, I already know I shouldn't be having it, but I got it. I also got some French onion dip for the tortillas. I got some Nature Valley protein peanut butter dark chocolate and Nature Valley biscuit almond butter. I got some paper plates, dog food, cat food, and paper towels. That is it. Oh, we got 2 more watermelon from the Watermelon Man. Another yellow one and a red one. And yeah, that is it. I am going to put some of this stuff up and then I'll show you how it looks when I get done. I just want to show you guys the porch, how nice and clean it is. Alright guys, I am done. I'm hot. Got my little orange glasses on with my orange top. Done sweated it out. But it feel good out here now. I'm relaxing. I got a roasted chicken, some fried cabbage I cooked for my sister, and cornbread. So I brought me a little home. And yeah, my water. Mr. Nosy, of course, is right here trying to get something to fall. But yeah, I'm about to eat my dinner.